What's up, guys? So just sitting here editing this video for you. I'll hopefully get it up today. But so the past 3 days I started tapping sugar maples to make some syrup. So I've done this in the past, not a lot, but first time I've done it on my property. Not sure if I mentioned that in another clip that you'll see, but all I have really is 24 taps that have been sitting on my shelf in the basement for a few years now. So finally get off my backside to get around to doing it. So today we harvested probably 6 gallons, well, in the past couple days. So I got two 30-liter food grade barrels, and the one is just about full. So I think so 60 liters, that's right around 15.8 gallons or somewhere thereabouts, so almost 16 gallons, and the one is just about full. So here's what I've been up to. So there's the spicy mix. Took some off of that last night again. There's the mild mix. Still both going strong. I've harvested off of those quite a few times at this point. So pretty cool. The basil plant up there in the window. Good deal. Alright, so really second morning. I tapped some trees 3 days ago, so yesterday would have been the first morning for harvesting. I got, I don't even know, a couple gallons I guess. But these are doing good. It's first thing in the morning, so it's already running good. So I'm going to empty these. My plan, I'm going to get a couple 5-gallon buckets to walk around and dump into. I could leave this barrel up by the house, but and even this is not an ideal setup, but it doesn't have to be crazy or expensive really to do this. 2 hands would be nice. Holy. Damn, they're full. So here's that barrel. Not sure if you can tell. So that's about 3/4 full, I guess. It'd be some deliciousness right there. Alright guys, let me wrap this up, get this completed, and get it up for you guys to watch. So thanks for joining me for another one. I appreciate it. Until the next one, God bless.